Hello guys, this is Federico from EasyBiz. Welcome back to our channel. In this video I show you our CopyNova review. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this product, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll see what it is, how it works, pros and cons, and pricing, and finally our opinion. Remember that purchasing this software through the first link in the description below, you get all of our bonuses, which are useful gifts that will help you get the most out of your online business with CopyNova. Now, let's talk about the software. CopyNova is a software that creates 100% unique and human-like content in just 3 simple steps. To make 100% SEO-optimized content, you have usually to write for hours and do a lot of research. If you hire freelancers to do it, it will cost you also thousands of dollars and take weeks or even months to get real results. So the creators of CopyNova have decided to put an end to this and create an affordable and easy to use solution for every business owner. CopyNova is a proven app that writes and rewrites unique and easy to read content using artificial intelligence. It creates 100% original, plagiarism-free and keyword-rich content in one click. The main benefit is that you can create unlimited professional attention-getting copy in minutes for hundreds of niches without having to learn complicated software and technology. All you have to do is choose your niche or market and answer a few quick questions, and the software will create copy that gets results in seconds. These include copies of sales letters, ads, emails, video sales letters, webinar slides, and more in over 100 of different niches. And then you can create professional content in over 100 also languages. So you'll be able to do it by simply enter the keyword and the description, and CopyNova automatically creates marketing copy ready to convert visitors into buyers. This presents also an excellent opportunity to launch your own copywriting agency and charge a substantial amount for basically a few minutes of work. CopyNova comes with easy-to-follow, step-by-step video training that walks you through the whole process, and it was designed with beginners in mind. So it's easy for everyone to use and doesn't require any design or tech skills. CopyNova runs entirely in the cloud, and it can be used on a Mac or Windows computer. Well, now let's continue with the demo to understand the features. Okay, let's talk about the pricing. You have the front end at $17 with 50 credits to generate 50 pieces of all types of content. Then you have the upgrade one, the pro version at $37 with you can unlock additional copywriting tools and features, long form articles up to 800 words, the keyword extractor, the paraphrasing tool, and the summarizing tool. Then with the upgrade 2, the unlimited version at $47 per month with unlimited copy, credits, projects and downloads. Then you have the upgrade 3, the traffic booster at $37. You can syndicate your webinar to other traffic sources with clicks like Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and more. Then you have the upgrade 4, the agency version at $67. Everything you need to start an agency business, a copywriting agency business, then with a ready-made video agency website, templates, banners and the client access. Then you have the upgrade 5, the done-for-you swipes at $27, the agency license and the done-for-you marketing assets and support. The upgrade 6, the reseller version at $297, this upsell enable users to resell CopyNova and they keep 100% of the profit. And then the upgrade 7, the training at $37 with weekly mastermind calls and the coaching calls for 8 weeks and other training. So what is our final opinion? We enjoy this software because it has a simple dashboard that makes it easy to keep track of everything, even if you're starting from zero. It makes it easy for you to make content for your online business and the quality of the text generated is good. Then you have a 30 days money back guarantee, so you can try it without any risk. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you want to get started with CopyNova and all our bonuses, just click the link in the description below. If it was helpful, also subscribe and like this video, we appreciate it. For any question, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and see you next.